So looks like we have a lot more damage than what we thought. There's probably 20 plus trees up here on the top of the ridge on our property that have fallen. This was very heavily wooded before Helene, and it almost, I mean, it's hard to tell from this phone, but it is very cleared out up here. This right here is a massive tree. Look at that, guys. And there's another one up there. Look at this. That's at least 10 foot tall.
That's huge.
I got another one over here. Three trees back to back to back right here. Some more down here. One over here. A lot more damage than what I was aware of up here on our wooded property. Just showing more tree damage. You can see there's like 3 or 4 right here. Just been blowed over. Lots and lots of damage. Lots of trees we lost. Big cleanup. See them up there as well. More trees falling. See right there. See the big patch here has been blowed over sideways on the hill.